Look what came in today.
We got our Vitamix.
This is my 35th birthday present here.
Yep.
Doing a little unboxing action. Never done an unboxing. It's a cool thing to do these days.
So why not? Ooh.
Oh, smoothies.
Comes with a fancy book.
It's a hard book.
It's real big.
Hardback. What's the name of that book?
Vitamix Simply Fresh. There's tons of recipes to make soups and ice creams and all sorts of things. And then you have this, which...
It's wedding invitations.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Assuming it's like little instructional videos. We'll see. Let's look. Yep. It's all your papers and everything.
Is there a sticker for
Getting
my car
started.
window?
No.
Oh. What a rip off.
We got the Vitamix7500. Fancy.
We got the short squatty one because it's like us.
So,
Oh.
let's see. Here's the goods. So, here's the top part. It looks huge, but compared to their other ones, it's pretty squatty. So it'll fit like under your counter. And then you have, this is what you put in the top, and you can, you do this, and you can stir everything around, like if you have like ice or big fruit or whatever. And then this is your handle and everything for your cup. And then, oh almighty, the base.
I love the color.
Yeah, we got the gray. It's like slate gray. The black was a little harsh, and then the other colors were just way too bright. So we got this one.
Is this it in the box?
I think so.
Looks like it.
Make sure there's nothing. Yep. So, and it just fits on there like that. It fits really quietly, like easy. You don't have to bang around too much. There's a little lid for that. That's pretty cool. And it'll go on so it won't fall
How
off.
does that rubber part feel whenever you take the
This?
lid off? It's supposed to be easy.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it's not bad. It's stretchy.
Cool.
And then you can
Let me see those blades inside there.
Oh, okay.
These are the bigger blades so you can get the vortex of flavor.
Oh, Lord. Vortex of flavor. Fits 64 ounces or 8 cups. So you can do like hot food in here, like soup. You can do like if you freeze bananas, you can make nice cream.
Nice cream, that's good.
Oh my god. And then obviously we're going to use it more for like smoothies. The kids will probably like those too. But
yeah, we are starting a raw vegan smoothie breakfast and lunch diet. It's going to be
That
really
way-
hard because I can't eat deer steak for breakfast.
oh my god. But that way we're not eating, as much fast food for lunch and everything. Because, I mean, it's easy, but this is easier. So.
Oh, that feels good.
So you have, this one's like the little pulse one. This makes it, ooh, that's satisfying.
I like the clicky buttons.
What is?
That holds your tool.
That's fancy. I want to look at it.
Look at that.
Check that out.
Would you look at this?
Would you look at that?
All right. Well, post a video of some smoothies coming up, I guess. Happy birthday, me. Bye,
Woo.
guys.